Sir Pochok na siya. Good evening. Wala daw pantalan. Wala daw salawal si Sir Pochok. Sandali, Sir Pochok ha. Bigyan kita ng salawal. Dito kasi ako sa ano niya. Sa video niya, sa channel niya. Sir Pochok, binigyan na kita ng salawal ha. Huwag kang... Huwag kang magtampo, Sir Pochok ha. Lisongson TV, how are you? Bao lagi na lang nandito si Lisongson. Piniplay ko yung video niya. Pero siya hindi. Hindi naman marunong sukli. Ay, sandali ha. Yung electric fan nandito sa harapan. 11 million shout out. Lisongson TV ha, tawang-tawa ka dyan. Hindi mo naman naintindihan. Sir Butchok, nandito ako sa sa Create New Dirty Kitchen. Umalis na si Sir Butchok. Bill Supports, good evening. Ay, may harang. Wala na, umalis na si Sir Butchok. Pero sige lang, itatapusin ko lang yung video niya. Gumagawa ng dirty kitchen si Sir Butchok. Lobat na yung isa kong cellphone. Charge ko muna. Wala, kita na diyo.
This kind of a squat. Sorry.
Mainit.
Before the shot of them for Stockton.
Bill Supports, thank you sa paharang.
As worthy as they started, on their way back into this contest. Spurs will now use that 30-second timeout. I would have called it after the last foul was committed.
But you may not have enough time anymore.
Sure.
Yeah. One thing's for sure, Carlo, this is an 8-0 run in the last 2 minutes for the Toronto Bulls. The last time out at the 2:39 mark, the score was 34-44.
If we picks up tomorrow, Blackwater Boston going up against Magnolia Chicken Delato's Hot Shots at 5 p.m. And next Road Warriors versus the San Miguel Spearmen. And then we will also be flying to Zamboanga City, 7:30 p.m. Magnolia versus Phoenix. I'm eager to play that game.
He is from there. It's going to be interesting to see how San Miguel will start out our conference.
They will start for sure. I mean, they have a lean lineup right now. They're bringing
It's dehydration. Non-Vivalite. Vivalite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration.
Rina Vlog TV, good evening.
Your playground now online. Bet88 has over 1,500 games, secure and fast gameplays. Meron kang pay for fun option to try all the games. Ibang swerte ito Bet88.ph. Gusto mo maranasan yung pakalindak mo, yung pagmamahal na hindi nawawala kahit ano mangyari nandiyan lang siya.
Kaya ako, single blessedness, alone, relatable. Alam ko, women who are single and longing for something.
Sana sa lahat ng kabataan, makita nila to, na hindi sila natatakot magmamahal, kahit pawin, kahit masaktan.
Ang impact nun sa akin is very important to feel love and be loved.
My love will make you disappear.
Rina Vlog, dito ako sa channel mo. Mayroong more than 3,000 subscribers si Ma'am Rina Vlog. At mayroon siyang 518 videos. Dito ako sa along the road of Taiwu. Saan ba itong Taiwu? Hindi, upcoming pala. Upcoming. Walking around the corner. Dito ako sa 22 hours ago with 33 views. Ma'am Jean! Play ko muna. Naka-play ngayon si Boss Bell sa akin. Ito Dito ako sa ikalawang videos niya. Celebrating my birthday 2024. Play ko muna dito sa kabila si Ma'am Rina Vlog. Wow, may doggy si Ma'am Rina. Bensunsus. Nanonood kayo, Ma'am Jean? Kay Tanggol. Hold upper na ngayon si si papang niya. Si ex-policeman. Saan ba ito? Ay, umalis na si Rina Vlog. Sige lang, tatapusin ko na lang to. No playing ha, Boss Bell. Parang outside the country ata to. Kasi green cab sila.
Hindi ko kayang tanggapin na namatay na si Joanna. Na hindi ko na kaya niya ako magpangaray ko. Sana panaginip na nakaas na ito.
Ito nga ang bangungot na to, Paeng. Kasalanan mo to. Ito ang pinili mong buhay.
Parang may gusto mangyari nito na eh.
Ano tayo magagawa kung ganun yung buhay natin ngayon?
Huwag na tayo mag-away-away. Ang manasisihan.
Bella Skyler.
Mag-ubusan ni Kuya Kaloy.
Thank you sa paharang. Wow, ang dami ko ng harang. Mami T, thank you sa paharang.
Mulawin mo sa panaginip, Kaloy! Magparamdam ka! Huwag ka bang ganyan kabilis, Kaloy? I'm back! Para kanina naman bulaklak yan. Wait ka na, nailiting na namin si Kaloy.
It's not for him. It's for her.
Wala ka ba talagang delikadesa, ha? Bato, hindi ito ang tamang panahon.
Pasensya na. But now is the moment. Makita ko maraming naliligo dito kay Fatima. Kaya Fatima, ginagawa ko ng pampalang panligaw siya.
Formal. Hindi nga ako pumapayag eh.
Hindi mo ba naiisip, Fatima? Maayos akong tao. Malinis ang intensyon ko sa'yo.
Badong, huwag mo nang ipilit ang sarili mo sa anak ko.
Maganda at gwapo ang magiging anak namin, Mamo.
Kung tawagin na mo, ang mabubutok yung labi mo.
Palit ko kaya ang mukha nito. Ay, kung hindi ko kayo mapipilit, edi sige. Say goodbye. Goodbye, Badong. Hindi sa akin. Say goodbye to your house. Okay, nasa na yung bayan mo?
Teka lang. Usapan natin 3 araw, di ba? Unang araw pa lang. May panahon pa kami.
Basta mababayaran namin ito. Hindi mo tumakbo ang bahay namin.
Sige. Maayos ang usapan. 2 araw, iikilitin ko na itong bahay.
Gagawa kami ng paraan.
Alam mo, Fatima, pag ako nakamubon, huwag kang mahabol sa akin, ha? Huwag kang maglalawa.
Kiefer Cedric.
Sa akin makakalimutan.
Beltsu, thank you. Brent Aidan, thank you so much.
Yes, Fatima. Tayo na ba?
Hindi. Hindi mo lang tiyak. Wala namang may gusto na ito dito eh.
Dapat na namin dito. Alis, ano?
Billy Clover. Mom Jean playing. Wow, may harang agad. Wow, sili sa paso.
Gusto mo talaga makalayan natin. Hindi rich. Hindi ko lang makatay. Hindi na pupunta kasi sa mayor panel. Kailangan ko kayo. At kailangan ko. Nicole, let's do eliminate sa mayor panel. Are you ready?
You're welcome.
Sabi yung lobby sa lupa. Wala na daw ba?
Well, sabihin lang pesos. Saan namang kamay ng Diyos natin kung
Nasa pala.
Dito sa kabila si Boss Bell. Ito boss, oh.
Tapos pala, hindi natin tinigilan ang paghahanap kay Grace.
Ika 5 Edius.
Grace?
Dito naman sa kabila si Ma'am Jean.
Hindi mo ba kasi Ana? Totoo nga kapag nag-iitay sa'yo.
Story nights, 30 p.m. Ngayong Biyernes.
Ay, kung kasi ako, meron ba yun? Ang laki ng pinagbago mula nang mamatay si Andrew Irving.
Tamang hinala.
Maraming naging batalan dito sa Nanda. Naisip ng asawa ni Carl na baka sabot sa Carl sa pagtatay kay Andrew.
Liar.
O mas malala pa.
Sinabi pa ni Carl na sinaset up niya ako. Wala siyang sinabi sa akin.
Pinaplano mo mag-igante at saka nag-army ka. Ano kailangan mo?
You're welcome, Boss Bell.
Kung kailan namatay si Andrew.
Liar. Weeknights.
Liar.
7 p.m.
Dahil ito ko, biktima ng imposible matcha.
Hindi kaya ng Gantex. Ang alam, kaya. Imposible na dyan, basta ganyan ang Gantex. All free. Imposible, imposible, kaya.
Good day for a date. Bad day for a date. Makadandruff yan. Head and Shoulders every day. So you're up to 100% dandruff-free every day. Head and Shoulders.
Nagawa akong batas ang libreng kolehiyo.
Dahil kay Senator Bang, nakagraduate ang college ang anak ko. At ito, may trabaho na siya! May trabaho na siya! May trabaho na siya!
Tama kilo, ama
pa ng libreng kolehiyo, siguradong trabaho.
Senator Bam Aquino po.
Dati sa Leon, walang gana kumain, kaya walang lakas at sigla. After I tried Propan TLC, it's been my trusted vitamins. May nutrients, tulong para may gana kumain, tulong para may lakas sigla at laki. Gana for life. Propan TLC. May para ng Propan TLC. Hindi ko naman sa labis. Tropical Blanca, the #1 creamy coffee in the Philippines. So creamy.
Winners sa akin to.
Correct yarn. That's why it's the #1 creamy coffee. Want to know the secret? New Zealand milk makes it so clear and control roasted beans to reduce the acidity. Make it gentle so tiny. Kaya pala okay na na-enjoy ang may empty stomach. Coffee ko Blanca. Creamy and gentle simple.
Sa lugar kung saan may kawalan o kakulangan ng trabaho, pagkain, edukasyon, kalusugan, karamay mo. Ang number 60, ang provincial party list. Tayo na sumama sa kampanya sa pag-unlad ng ating probinsya.
Ang bawat biyahe ko para makapunta si Mami.
Katulong mo ang Centrum Advance, complete from A to Z. Tulong para alaga ang puso, resistensya, mata, at buong katawan. Centrum Advance, alagang di pagkukulang.
Kung ako'y nakaawal.
Kaya nyo rin. Kaya natin lahat lumaban at umunlad.
Tatakling ko Dapit. Supremo ng Senado. Rico Dapit, number 35 sa Manota. Rico Dapit!
Puti, pawis, at amoy araw. Yan ang mga mansyang inuuwi nila. O di na lang may Brace 3-Wash Pack. Nagtatanggal ng mansya sa unang babay pa lang. Sige sa mansya, Brace 3-Wash Pack. Hindi mo ulitin. Hindi ko pa lang. Sa extra...
Ma'am Lynn, Ma'am Rakiterang, Bisdak. Now playing. Sabay kayong tatlo. Hindi sabay. Huli na pala si Ma'am Rakitera. Si Ma'am Lynn.
Ako si Pacman. Ako si Pacman.
Ako si Manny Pacman Pacquiao.
Busbel. Dito na ako sa ika-6 na video.
Mas ka na sa kalendaryo, marami ka pang gustong gawin sa buhay.
Ma'am Chin. Dito naman ako sa lumang tinapay.
Doble tibay katawan at resistensya nutrients na tama sa edad mo, tulog para tuloy ang tibay. Bear Brand Aloe Plus.
Sakit na pangalatis. May bilis relief gold kanal. Subok ko marami. Subok for 36 years. Subok nito. Bilis relief na subok na. Gold kanal.
Unilab yan.
Milyon-milyong Pilipino na ang nakatira ng serbisyo at malasakit sa anong sulok ng bansa, bagyo, sunog, lindol, ano pa mang sakuna. Si Senator Bongo, Mr. Malasaki, bisyo ang mga serbisyo.
Alright, sa Senado.
Ang party list na masasandalan. Serious party list. Sa kita ng panalaki.
You're welcome, Busbel. You're welcome, Ma'am Chin.
Happy June 10, that's like it's your favorite artist, G?
Boss, dagdagan mo video mo, boss.
Little girl. I choose my family. Ikaw, what's your truth?
Number 11 sa balon. Number 11 sa balon.
Ngayon nasa 40s ka na, may pangangalay at pangungiting. Payo, kanila.
Bakit ma?
Kasi pagka napukulan na sa vitamin D, lalo kung may diabetes at may cholesterol.
Yung bakit nga vanilla ma?
Kasi ang vanilla, not just 3, but 5 B vitamins.
More B vitamins to help you do more with your hands and feet.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Hindi kami iniwan, hindi kami pinabayaan. Tuloy-tuloy ang tulong, hanggang kami nakaahon. Si Camille at ang Bernardo, tumutulong sa kanila. Si Camille at ang Bernardo, ano mo ang kabuhayan. Camille, Bernard, at ang Bernardo, itanak sa utak number 66. Long days over. Hello, chocolate chip full wafer, rich caramel, rice krispies, and creamy chocolate. Heaven. Hello, heaven. Every day. Ganon tuloy ng sumbong gamit tuwis. Amoy Philippine Financial. Yung sa pinakabago, Surf Backwood Fresh and Blue. May 3 times overpowered shape, kaya kahit pawis. All new Surf Backwood Fresh and Blue.
Body pain can stop you from doing your best. Pagod na ako. Buti may salon pass.
With direct penetration of ingredients, relieves pain immediately, gives long-lasting relief that lasts up to 8 hours.
For shoulder, neck, and back pain. Ganda pa rin ang pakiramdam ko. For pain that massage alone can't relieve, use Salon Pass. Relief that sticks for up to 8 hours.
This is the burger. And here's one from Food Panda with 100 pesos off. That tastes like a good deal.
Straightening? Curl? Is damage building up in your hair? Just pause and reverse the signs of damage. New Dove Ceramide Intense Repair. With bioprotein care that penetrates hair strands. Reverses the signs of damage for up to 10 times stronger and smooth hair. Just pause, reverse, and hit play. New Dove Ceramide Intense Repair.
Sarap mag-road trip. Sobrang sakit. Relax na.
Flanax deals with the real cause of pain. Root care.
Sobrang sakit.
From Tyson. Flanax deals with the real cause of pain. Root care. From Tyson.
Your playground, now online. PetDictate has over 1,500 games, secure and fast gameplays. Meron pang paper fun option to try all the games. Ibang sweat dito, bet, paint, page. Gusto mo maranasan yung makalit.
Kuya Willie Vlog. Good evening. Anywhere, anytime.
Single blessedness, relatable to a lot of women who are single and longing for something.
Sana sa lahat ng kabataan, makita nila to, na hindi sila natatakot magmamahal, kahit paulit-ulit, kahit masaktan. Ang impact na rin sa akin is very important to feel love and be loved.
My love will make you disappear.
Ang programa nito ay ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masisirang
Kuya Willie Vlog.
karahasan, sexual, horror o droga.
Anywhere, anytime. Hello from Kenya. Nakarating ang aking live doon sa Kenya. Thank you so much. Anywhere, anytime. Kuya Willie Vlog.
Walang makukuha ng suporta sa akin ng mga gilero. Ako meron, bigyan sa akin na pinag-
Kuya Willie.
Dito na kayo magbantay. Dito itutak ako. Oo, ako mas maraming problema dyan. Hindi. Aalis muna ako ha.
Roda, ngayon mo pa talaga naisip ang kampanya? Eh, di tayo. Aasenso lang tayo kung magsusumikap tayo.
Naku, hindi naman. Ang baba ka naman na natili ang mga bilero sa...
Kuya Willie, andito ako sa video mo.
Labas lang naman sila pag panahon ng eleksyon.
Kagabi si Kuya Willie nagbisita din.
Tayo, pag may kumandidato na may totoong
Salamat.
Napakalega mo na tindi.
Bakit? Nagbibigay pa sila ng pera, pambayad ng kuryente, pambili ng pagkain. Roda, tandaan mo.
Kain po tayo, sabi ni Kuya Willie. Mayroong 312 views 1 month ago. Ano tong kinakain ni Kuya Willie? Anywhere, anytime, please wait. I will visit your channel. Wow, may harang agad si Kuya Willie.
Good morning.
Ngayon, maraming salamat po sa pag-text ko ninyo. Trabaho po ako! Sayang naman kayo. Interview mo na. Sana yung sunod na babalik sa'yo. Kapag nilitas mo lang nun.
Huwag po tayong mag-alala dahil kahit sino man ang susunod o papalit sa atin ngayon,
Ay, ang tagal.
eh siguradong pagpapatuloy ang pagmanisin nila ng mga gerero. Kaya tatandaan nyo, sa lalapit na eleksyon ha, gerero pa rin tayo. Tuloy-tuloy.
Opo, sabi po. Pwede po na inaaway. Salamat po. Mayor, congratulations sa Bukagay. Mukhang successful itong job expo.
Parang ma-appreciate ng security natin.
Pasensya na.
Tagal mag-play ni Kuya Will.
Alam nyo, marami tayong ng force multipliers, maraming daratingin dito. Kailangan mo yung community ng security. Yung ng mga tao, yung mga magiging kami nagawa namin. Kaya pagdating ng darating na eleksyon, gerero pa rin.
Kasabihan po mga tao ngayon.
Mayor, pasensya na po. Oras na po ng speech sa auditorium. Mabilis na po yun.
Maraming salamat mga haligi ng pag-unlad. Sige, ituloy niyo lang ang pagsuporta sa mga kababaihan ng Maynila ha, para tuloy-tuloy din ang pag-atensya natin. At mamaya, magkita-kita tayo sa job fair ha. Sige. Maraming salamat ulit.
Ang halika sila. Tara, medyo mo tayo.
Wow, ang daming ulam ni Kuya Will. May sardinas, may pritong talong, may tuyo, itlog, may ano pa, itlog na pula with kamatis and sibuyas. Maparami ng kain si Kuya Willie.
Lorenzo, mapapagkatiwalaan mo talaga yung nakaulan mo. Paano kung mahuli yan? Paano kung kumantayan at ituro ako? Mga patas. Hindi kaya sila mahihirapan pumasok dahil sa security?
Ma'am, may klase na po namin ni Sir Lorenzo.
Kaya hindi sila maghihinala at pag-umasa. Yung babae kayo kung pwesto sa lakas ng piling. Pero kung sakaling hindi makuha ng sniper yung tamo, huwag kang mag-alala. Sa Jaffer, sisigurado na lang matapos nila.
Paano ka makakasiguro na hindi ako sasabot dyan? Hindi ako madadamay.
Ang importante lang, nandito ka sa Jaffer. At pag nandito may himat ka, pinakalakas ka, kikikiyan namin sa
Lorenzo, siguraduhin mo yan ah.
Yes,
Yan.
To securing the ball, you see Briggs, so he's going to attack nonetheless. Here's Blake Allen, independent Blue Cross player.
And that's correct. 16 forwards, which is what's not this season. He's got 12. You know, first down tonight. Terry Butler completes the 3-point line.
Hello, Sergio. Good evening.
That's case it certainly helps him.
Maraming salamat sa pagbisita.
They stopped him. Wilson looking on, rolling his ankle slightly earlier. Rio supposed behind the back. Looking hard to his handles.
Ay, maulan dyan sa inyo, Sergio. Itatanong ko pa sana kung anong heat index dyan sa Bicol. Maulan pala. Dito, grabe ang init. Dito sa amin sa Negros, mayroong minor activity yung Canlaon Volcano. Wow, may harang si Kuya Will. Tapos na pala. Tapos kagabi, mayroong earthquake. May lindol kagabi po, hindi namin na pagka na lang, morning na lang na nabalita na mayroon pala kagabi yung apex center dito sa area namin. Intensity 2 lang naman. So hindi talaga parang konting alog lang. Salamat naman. At nung hapon lang, nung this afternoon na na naman nagpalabas na naman ng grayest na color yung bunganga ni Canlaon. Makikita dito sa harapan, sa pintuan ko. Pagbungad mo sa labas, makikita mo talaga yung bunganga ng bulkan. Dito kami sa 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers kami.
It's a detergent lang. Ang madaling linis sa Zonrox. Linis na di kaya ng detergent lang. Kasama sina Dr. Nikita Padilla, Congresswoman Angelica Natasco, siguradong healthy ang buong barangay.
Sa PHW Party List, naniniwala kami na kalusugan ng barangay
Tropico Blanca, the number one creamy coffee in the Philippines. So creamy. Nurse ito. Correct yarn. What's that number with creamy coffee? Want to know the secret? New Zealand milk makes it so clear and control roasted beans to reduce the acidity. Make it gentle sa tummy. Kaya pala okay when I enjoy it on the empty stomach. Coffee ko blanca, creamy and gentle sa tummy.
Superboy's here!
Don't worry, may superhero ang washing machine natin. Brings more cleaning power. Mas nagdaran na siya.
Dito ako sa channel mo, Sir Jer, ha. Maghanap ako dito ng ito na panood ko na yung dinurong kamyas, type of speech, itlog na pula, title defense on practical, napanood ko na rin yan. 19th Regional ALS Encampment. Dito ako. 3 weeks ago. Teacher ka pala, sir, sa ALS.
Protection 24 hours para sa pamilya. Safeguard.
Day 0, 19 Regional ALS Encampment. Camp Dispigarbin. Hello, Ma'am Jean.
Only a Coke has 8 million live LCS in every bottle that may reach the intestines alive to help get good gut health. Panalo ka dyan.
Nanay, mabakal ng Farex Food.
Parex yun. Healthy sa bali, ha?
Hindi ako pwede huminto sa trabaho.
Naghan na nagsalin ako sa Farex Food.
Buong Pilipinas ay pa-excited. Hindi nagpapahit.
Okay, Ma'am Jean. Thank you so much, Ma'am Jean. Okay, unahin niyo muna si Mami D.
Ang nangabuso, walang pinipiling biktima. Ako, walang pinipiling pagtanggol. Saan man, kailanman, kampi tayo. Erwin Tulfo, kakampi nyo sa Senado.
Period threats, here's Double Pearl, because she's an expert. She trusts Skynet Pearl, the only gummy prescribed felon wash with chlorhexidine gluconate for long hour dry panel protection. Skynet Pearl, the pearl with period protection.
Hindi ko kaya magpagabot. Hindi ko talaga. Ito nagulungan ko talaga ang buhay ko. Kahit sabihin mo, hirap kami.
Para surf factor, mas bigatin sa mas bigatin. Surf factor.
Milyon-milyong Pilipino na ang nakatira ng servisyo at mga sakit sa aming sunod ng bansa.
Eriga City.
Yun, ano tumulong sa ulat si Senator Bongo?
Wow, kanami, oh.
Ang mga servisyo.
Survey ground. Now online.
The contents over 1,500 games. Secure and fast downloads. Meron pang pay for fun option to try all the games. Ibang sweat dito. That's great. Naglat si baby. Saan ba ito? Mommy, mag-Kempa no shake formula ka. Lagi ko sa ng dose, kaya no worries.
Camarines Norte. Catanduanes. Sorsogon Province. Boss G, good evening. Ma'am Lynn, nakaplay ako sa iyo, Ma'am Lynn, ha. Dito ako sa highlight, 1 minute and 42 seconds. Ay, okay. Gumala ka pala, Ma'am Lynn.
Years married, how do you guys do it? Connecting heart to heart and eye to eye. Pag umabo ng mata, ito. Ikaw, executive officer, expert eye care, state-of-the-art facilities, affordable eye care. Stop staring. Can I hear you that? I'll be right.
Ma'am Raketera.
Namiss ka asawa ko. Nakakaiyak, nakakatawa, at maraming aral. Kahit po tumatak.
It's been a big part of my life to be great.
Dan, searcher. Dan na po.
It's game day with Bet88 Sports.
Bet88.ph.
Thank you sa paharang, Ma'am Lynn. Ma'am Lynn, naka-play ka ngayon, Ma'am Lynn, ha? Dito ako sa ika-20 yet na videos mo. Ang magandang pagmasdan mula sa taas. Ah, okay. Holiday pala dyan. Anong holiday yan, Ma'am Lynn? Tatlo kayo sabay tatlo kayo ni Ma'am Jean at ni Boss Bell. Qingming Festival. Ay, Qingming Festival. So maraming mga bulaklak dyan, Ma'am Lynn. Ano yung mga kumbaga yung sineselebrate nila, ano ba yung maraming mga bulaklak? Anong ginagawa nila sa festival, Ma'am Lynn? Kung ganyang festival, holiday dyan, with pay din ka? Kasama na sa sweldo mo, Ma'am Lynn?
Hindi importante yung kinumauna. Importante matapos ang trabaho bago matapos ang karera.
Kaya police always goes sa supervisor ka ng mga basurero.
Supervisor ng mga basurero.
For your last speech,
Ito po yung ako ni Uliang proyektong si-share ko sa inyo.
Buligan niya ka si Mayor. May harang, Ma'am Lynn.
Kami. Kami.
Tulog na si Tokyo. Kurog-kurog. Sige na.
A couple of seconds in the first half. Getting another chance. A little bit more time to go this time. Stockton on drive. Oh, FU versus FU grind, but he blows the layup. Yeah, I'll say the dust. For the complete day.
So I haven't seen much from CJ Mancino.
Cancino against Stockton. Poor spacing there, but Almazan recovers. Jermao trying to take the ball away from him, and that will be a jump. Important to note, if Garaldo makes the tip, they only have 4.2 seconds to work with. And you can see that Almazan and Ben Towers present that file for this jump ball.
Jermel gets up there quick.
Not quick enough. Jose will have to take the shot. So we'll miss. Baltazar on the run again. Keeps it for John Delman. Gets fouled by Jose.
Talk about defending physically. That's what you gotta love about Red Bucks.
Everything is easy. Nothing easy.
Whether it's rebounding, there's
Everything hurts.
somebody will always beat him.
With the free throws. Setting up to be a problem as well. For Converge, that's not missing. Converging off the next one Chargers now. Converge, fireworks.
Adjusted his shot.
I'm sure he meant that meant for that to happen. Yes, he
Did not?
did.
Did? Okay.
A turnover here as Masaboy could not catch that pass from Almazan. A bit off. A chance for Converge to at least add to this 3-point lead. Ball screen action. Stockton sends it out to them for three. No. Pull back is going for Brian Santos.
You like when he goes for that offensive rebound. Right? You have to make the defense react. If the defense all of a sudden goes, both of them goes to do something, then he's wide open.
West East in the lead. Here's the third period. The lead a little bit harder.
Ay, oo, ma'am. Oo, ma'am Jean. Nag-check pa ako ng ano, nag-message pa kasi yung kasama ko na mag-open siya ng aming email.
Four samples in that time. There's Santos shot was 34 samples previously, but Pampasar actually went to the basketball and that broke up the play.
Humingi ng password. Ay, ay nanalo man.
They turned the ball over. I'm talking about around 6 turnovers in the third quarter, Converge scoring 9 points on those turnovers.
Hello, searcher. Ay, okay. Malakas kasing ulan dyan.
And this was the shot of them, the in and out dribbles, the jumper, I think on the release.
Yung malakas na baha doon last year pala yun, Sir Jerno. Hindi ba kayo naapektuhan? Yung buong Camarines, yung buong Bicol.
Like where you run, with your follow through and the contact management. All was there and was they completed by Deshaun Winston.
Hello, Ma'am Rakitera, Bisdak. Inaantok na ako. Sa Camsor yun, Ma'am, ang Legazpi. Ah, okay. So, hindi kayo naapektuhan. Pero mataas naman yung lugar ninyo.
Deshaun Winston, bump by Newsom. Also sent it into the penalty.
Kami ay sa Camarines Norte, Mungat lang ng Bicol. Gateway to Bicolandia. Bicol, gateway to Bicolandia. Yung ano ko, brother-in-law, taga Camarines Sur. Nakalimutan ko kung anong barangay sila. Dalawang ano lang, no, provinces, yung Camarines Sur at saka Camarines Norte. Nakalimutan ko kung anong bayan nila.
Well, first, Meral unable to challenge that shot. Deshaun Winston second, not able to box out.
Busbel, done ako sa iyo, ha.
Coach Luigi, Coach Nena not happy that it's a wide open 3-point shot, nobody challenging it. And then there's 3 Meralco guys right by that basketball, and instead Arana was able to get it.
Justin Arana misses the first free throw. These misses are piling up for Converge.
Like you said, this could haunt them at the end if Meralco ends up getting this win.
Play kita ulit, Serger, ha. Nakalimutan ko, Serger, kung anong barangay sila, yung anong town nila, yung brother-in-law ko.
And Gil de los Santos. Checking back in. And the second free throw.
Ang alam kong mga bayan ng Camsor lang ay Iriga,
4 minutes
Naga, Pili. Ay, San Fernando! Sa San Fernando sila, Serger. Tama.
Newsom.
San Fernando.
Struggle for him offensively. But finally, he gets another bucket of that one-hander.
Credit that defense that's being thrown at Chris. There's always one guy.
Ay, ang lapad pala ng Bicol, no? 9 provinces.
The contest for Newsom. That was a crucial bucket to cut their deficit to just 4. Arana. That will be a jump ball as he was locked up by Cliff Ranch.
Dito ako sa press sublimation printing. 138 views.
That the basketball was ready to be claimed.
Oo, done na po ako sa iyo, Boss Bell.
Stop for Mirato, another opportunity to inch closer.
Yung dito naman sa sa Region 6, Regional Office namin Iloilo. Uy, bakit connect to the internet? No internet. Nabuang naman. Yung Region 6, yung Regional Office namin Iloilo, mayroong Iloilo Province, Capiz, Aklan, Antique, Guimaras, Negros Occidental.
Was that extension of the ball hand enough?
Seemed like both of them were trying to get position.
That's how you play.
Pero nung March 27, ay bakit wala na akong internet.
Referee's saying it was indeed enough.
San Fernando pala sila, Serger, ni brother-in-law. Sa Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur Albay, Masbate, Catanduanes, Sorsogon, 6 provinces lang pala po. Oo. Sa amin 6 din. Dito sa Region 6. Pero nung March 27, nag-separate na kami kasi may IRR na. Negros Island Region na kami. So, Negros Occidental, Negros Oriental, may Siquijor pa. Kasama na yung Siquijor. Sa ulado ni Searcher, Thank you sa information. Oo. Pero yung mga reports namin, temporarily doon pa rin sa Region 6. So, amat-amat lang ang turnover. Yung records namin doon pa sa Iloilo. Pero mayroon na kaming mga officers na may mga orders na maybe this month makumpleto na. At yung before kasi ng 2016, Negros Island Region na kami, pero noong 2017, bumalik naman kami ng Region 6. Bumalik kami ng Region 6. So, lahat kami from Negros Island Region, bumalik. May order naman kami pa Region 6. So, ito naman. From Region 6, dito na naman kami. Order na naman to Negros Island Region na. So, sana di na hindi na kami ulit i-turn over sa kabila, sa Region 6. Okay. Taga Sorsogon pala. So, lagi kayong umiikot. Kailan kaya ako makapunta doon sa Bicol Region? Kasi gusto ko puntahan yung Kagsawa. Ano pa?
Nakapapasakaw na kaya?
Yung husband ko sabi niya, nakapunta na siya sa Pasakaw kasi yung barko nila noon doon sa nag-dry dock sa Pasakaw. Nagbiyahe sa Pasakaw. Tapos, pag umuwi siya dito sa doon pa kami sa Iloilo, may dala siyang pili nuts. Dito na ako, Sir Jer, ha, sa heat press, sublimation printing, may harang agad. Nestle, Pear Brand, ano pa? Ano pa? Ano siling mo? Sa Pasakaw daw sila. Sa Pasakaw sila. Cargo yung barko nila. So marami silang download na produkto galing dito sa Region 6. Pero noong 2016, hindi ko na siya inasampa sa barko. Pa-apply ko siya sa government office din. Pareha kaming agency. Kasi natatakot ako kung may may malakas na bagyo.
We have a flashback for you back in the 2024 Philippine Cup Finals. They needed one big-time shot, and you remember it was after Julmar Fajardo, of all people, knocked down a big boy shot.
Falling down. And then Chris Newsom just knew that this was the moment. This was the time. This was the first ever Merata Championship in the PBA. And they went through a lot of battles, just like this game right here. They grinded it out. Let's see if they can pull out and get this guy.
And with a championship like that, will give you poise, will give you confidence to know that in any game, you can come up big.
It's that confidence. It's wanting that basketball. I remember, we followed Newsom's career from the start. Right? And I would always say, in the end, in the fourth quarter, he wants to have that. He needs to want to have that basketball. There are players born with it, and there are players that work towards it. And Chris Newsom is the latter.
14 seconds of the top shot.
Maganda lang kasi sa inyo, sir, kasi kung mayroong district area meet, diba, dumadayo kayo sa ibang lugar. Sir Jer, thank you so much, ha.
All 3 days, it's been goalkeeper. This has been goalkeeper. Oh. That's a foul.
Time check, 9:45 in the evening. 15 minutes more to go. Thank you so much, Sir Jer, Ma'am Jen Mix TV, Bill TV Mix, Maraketerang Bistak, Boss G. Thank you so much. Sila yung kagrupo ko, Sir Jer.
For sure, the Meralco FC, that's a foul.
Yeah, they burned their head coach strategist already. Stockton, he's a big-time NBA player, but they go inside or lost the ball to Hahn.
Yung mga pamangkin ko, last year, pumunta dyan sa San Fernando, kasama si papa nila. Yung sister ko naman, natatakot. Kasi kung mahaba yung biyahe, vomit siya sa sasakyan. So, parang one time lang siya pumunta sa San Fernando. Pero yung dalawa kong pamangkin, ilang times na.
About being in control. Everybody knew Chris Newsom was gonna take that shot. Look at that defense. Chris Newsom, Alex Tompkins, Hogan covered him. Shawnee Winston helping out. Tom Nassar helping out. One unit take. 2 guys on their feet. Chris Newsom, that little jumper, knocking it down.
The big Together, the shot. 0.5 seconds remaining.
They're probably gonna adjust that. Seems like
Done na po, sir, ha? Yung heat press sublimation printing. Ay, hindi pala ako nakapag-comment. Delete na delete.
Winner, the championship winner of
Hindi
Chris
ako
Newsom
nakapag-comment sa iyo.
And it is Newsom. That's the confidence of a guy.
Sublimation. Ay, dito na ako sa kamyas.
of the finals to get their first ever championship.
An adjustment in the time remaining, 0.8 seconds.
No fouls yet.
That's been Burns will also use a 30-second timeout here. In the way that Mirago planned it out, like everyone basically stepping on the baseline. It's your show, New, take us home.
I mean, old school 1-4 set, right? Give him that basketball and just take us home. And you can see Coach Luigi, Coach Nana, right? You guys were trying to give him a script. They were like, no, roll it out. Yep, give it the space. Gotta give him space to operate.
Worst thing you can do is give up a foul, really, if you're Mirago. So it doesn't have to be clean defense. And with 0.8 remaining, it's a catch and shoot.
Especially in the 3-point area, or even the 4-point area.
It's also important here to see who will be the guy trying to bother the inbounder.
And how many times have we seen Converge win off a 3 or a 4-point shot in the end game?
Many, many times. Here we go first, moving to the 4. That's D&D. Here the governors come, and we have another timeout called. 0.8 seconds. It can't be your normal catch and shoot. It will have to be a very quick catch. And then you're letting that ball go.
As well.
Because if you catch it completely, that's buzzer. And reminding you that we will be celebrating the 50th anniversary of the PTA on April 9. It's coming Wednesday at the Rizal Memorial Coliseum. Get your own box tickets for only 50 pesos. And get an opportunity to get anniversary t-shirts to our in-venue fans for each tomorrow Blackwater. Debuting against the Magnolia from the Foxtown 10 next the Warriors facing off against the Macri San Miguel Beermen.
Really good to see what they have in store for the fans. It's definitely a tough conference for the San Miguel Beermen.
The Philippine Cup will always have to go through June Bar Pahar, but that much is
Well,
known.
good thing also is they're able to have a lot of reps, right? So whatever injuries that they've had, they can actually deal with it and address it.
Here we go. Iraq will be the designated inbounder. 0.8 seconds remaining. They deny Stockman. Oh, he bumps him. But that shot will fall short. Mirago survives in the end game.
Right in the end game, Carlo, it was really the defense that Toronto showed. They held down Converge. They did not allow them to score. And who was again part of that defensive play? Wong Kito.
The tough part was that he caught that basketball with his back under him. So he took the ball, he had to have turned before you launch.
But good reaction by Aaron Black as well, helping out. Because Wong Kito fell down to the floor. And then Aaron Black able to challenge that shot of Alex Stockton.
Newsom, with everyone knowing he would take the final shot, still
Tula kay mama.
managed to put it down. It was a struggle for him in the first half, only 2
Uy,
points.
bakit?
But in the end game, he just remained that.
You gotta give him that basketball. He wanted it, they gave it to him. This is that
Start
great
ako ulit
shot.
sa iyo, Ma'am Jean. Nawala ka.
Knocking down that to get that 2-point lead. Only the second time, if I'm not mistaken, that Ronaldo was in the lead in this ball game, and that's what counts. There's no more time left. Chris Newsom knocking down that shot.
And that is what he does. He is our best player of the game, Chris Newsom. Gives Mirago to this 91-89 victory against the Converge Five Rangers. And reminding you, against tomorrow, Blackwater
Mag-end na po ako. Sir Jer, maraming salamat. Boss Bell, Ma'am Jean, Ma'am Rakiterang Bisdak, Boss G, thank you so much. Bye-bye everyone.